Okay, Math Rockstars, let's take a look at the 45, 45, 90 problems on the front of our handout. So they are, for the most part, problems 1 through 6. Clearly 1, 2, and 3 are 45, 45, 90, but so are 4, 5, and 6. 45, 45, 90 are also isosceles right triangles. Isosceles right triangles. And these three problems here are isosceles, right? We've got 12 and 12, or x and x, or two base angles that are congruent, so my two sides are congruent. So those are definitely 45, 45, 90 problems. Let's try, let's do, how about number 4, and we'll also try number 3. So number 3, I need to find out what one of the sides is, and in order to find the side, I want to divide the hypotenuse by the square root of 2. So x is going to equal 9 square roots of 2 divided by the square root of 2, and that's really pretty easy. The square roots of 2 just cancel. And my final answer is x equals 9. And number 4, here I'm looking for the side, or for the hypotenuse, but I'm given the side already. I'm going to multiply by the square root of 2. So 12 times the square root of 2 is my answer. I don't have to do anything more than that. And for the 30, 60, 90 triangles, that's the next set here, number 7 through 12, these guys here. Let's try number 12, and we'll also try number 10. So we'll start off with number 10. Number 10, here's the 30-degree angle. Remember, I always want to find the short side first, which is the side across from the 30-degree angle. That'll be y. So to get the short side, I take the hypotenuse and divide it by 2. So y is going to be equal to 16 divided by 2, or 8. Y is 8. And then to get the longer leg, I multiply the short leg by the square root of 3. So x will equal 8 times the square root of 3. And then I don't have to do anything else with that problem. That's done. Number 12. Oops. Number 12, let's start off with finding the short leg. I'm given the longer leg, 13 times the square root of 3. And to find the short leg, I'm going to divide by the square root of 3. So x is going to equal 13 radical 3 divided by radical 3. Those radical 3's will cancel. And my short leg, x, will equal plain old 13. And then to get to the hypotenuse, I doubled the short leg. So y is going to equal 13 times 2, or 26. So the short leg is 13, and the longer leg is 26. If you haven't already found your flip notes from when we did these earlier this year, I would spend a little bit of time looking for them first, and then go ahead and try the other problems on this page and check your answers. I'll post the answers in a separate document on Google Classroom.